For the last 6 days, the UP police has been on the hunt for gangster Vikas Dubey. Today, the Don dramatically appeared at the Mahakal temple in Ujjain, was arrested soon after. How did the most wanted criminal as of now, who killed 8 cops, cross 3 states? Was there a police Neta gangster nexus?
Uttar Pradesh's dreaded gangster declaring his identity in front of the police in Ujjain. Dubey's arrest, or was it surrender? Looked straight out of a Bollywood potboiler, perhaps even better scripted. After eluding the police forces of 4 states, the man whose gang ambushed and killed 8 cops in Kanpur, who was last spotted in Faridabad outside an eatery taking an auto rickshaw, surfaced in the temple town of Madhya Pradesh on Thursday morning. Dubey had come ostensibly to have a darshan of the revered Mahakal in Shahdol town where he's married from. He bought flowers worth 250 rupees. The florist who got suspicious informed the temple security, who in turn tipped off the police. Dubey was caught while returning after offering puja. The local cops, we are told, used the Truecaller app to identify hhim.
पहले फोटो देख रहे थे हम लोगों को लगा कि विकास दुबे हो सकता है। संदिग्ध के 1-2 घंटा हमने इंक्वायरी किया सीसीटीवी फुटेज के माध्यम से। देखने के बाद हम लोगों ने
फिर आपने क्या किया?
हम लोगों ने पुलिस कस्टडी में लिया। हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के अधिकारी को बताया हम लोगों ने ये चल रहा है, इंक्वायरी चल रहा है।
दर्शन करने के बाद जैसे निर्गम द्वार पे आया, उन लोगों ने उसे पूछा कि तुम्हारा नाम क्या है। उस पर इसने अपना नाम गलत बताया, अपना आईडी गलत बताया। उसके बाद जब उसको संदेह हुआ तो इन लोगों ने उसे गंभीरता से पूछताछ किया, तो बाद में इसने बताया कि मैं विकास दुबे हूँ।
Dubey was taken to the police training center in Ujjain, where he's being interrogated. Sources tell India Today, Dubey allegedly ambushed the police as he feared he would be killed in an encounter. The sources claim Dubey wanted to burn the bodies of the policemen but abandoned the plan as he didn't have enough time. Dubey has allegedly claimed that he was tipped off about the raid a day earlier, which allowed him to collect people and arms. Dubey's decision to turn in is not surprising as he was running out of options. Most of his aides have either been arrested or killed in encounters in the past 1 week. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has congratulated his police forces for arresting Dubey.
मध्य प्रदेश पुलिस ने, उज्जैन पुलिस ने त्वरित कार्रवाई कर इस दुर्दांत अपराधी को गिरफ्तार किया है, हिरासत में लिया है। मैं मध्य प्रदेश पुलिस को इसके लिए बधाई देता हूं।
Vikas Dubey's dramatic arrest raises many puzzling questions. Did he do it to avoid an encounter? Did he get any help from those inside the system? Will he reveal the names of those who sheltered him? If past history is anything to go by, Vikas Dubey may have been put behind bars, but his masters could escape scot-free. Bureau Report, India Today.
Vikas Dubey has now been handed over to the UP police and is being taken to Kanpur. But what was the UP police doing for nearly a week since the encounter? Dubey's arrest has exposed glaring lapses.
As Madhya Pradesh police arrested notorious Uttar Pradesh mafia don Vikas Dubey from the Mahakal temple in Ujjain, the incompetence of UP police in nabbing him became apparent. The UP police had been busy laying cordons around the film city in Noida and erecting barricades, expecting the Don to surrender in front of television cameras. The incompetence of UP police was exposed at multiple levels. The dreaded mafia Don escaped from Kanpur after allegedly being involved in the killing of 8 police personnel. He had allegedly been tipped off by UP police personnel. The slain Deputy Superintendent of Police, Devendra Mishra, had informed his superiors about the alleged complicity of Chaubepur Station House officer Vinay Tiwari. But no action was taken despite several oral and a written complaint. The police are in the dock over brushing the complaint under the carpet amidst complaints of loyalty to caste over loyalty to uniform.
ये पेशेवर अपराधियों को शेर बनाओगे, क्रांतिकारी बनाओगे और मारे जाएंगे तो इनको शहीद बोलोगे? अपराध की संस्कृति को समूल उखाड़ना होगा। इसमें आम जनता को ये समझना होगा कि अपराधी जात का देखकर अपराध नहीं करता है।
The UP police had no idea that Dubey travelled 478 kilometers from Kanpur to Faridabad with his core team of gangsters. By the time police reached Faridabad, Dubey had been tipped off again and escaped. Despite Dubey allegedly being involved in the killing of 8 UP police personnel and decamping with their weapons, 25 special police force teams had no clue about his whereabouts. They laid cordon at Film City, Noida as Dubey travelled 774 kilometers from Faridabad to Ujjain. And this showed poor intelligence network of the UP police.
क्योंकि जितने भी अन्य साथी बचे हुए हैं जिन्होंने इस घटना को अंजाम दिया है, उनके विरुद्ध उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस का सघन अभियान जारी रहेगा जब तक कि हम उनको गिरफ्तार नहीं कर लेते, जब तक उनको हम कोर्ट में नहीं पेश कर देते और जब तक उनको हम सजा नहीं दिलाते।
According to initial investigations, Vikas Dubey was using his own phone to remain in contact with his people. In fact, Madhya Pradesh police used Truecaller app to identify him when arrested, but the police was not able to track him using this cell phone. According to Madhya Pradesh administration, Dubey was travelling in a UP number plate vehicle. And yet, due to poor coordination between UP police with neighbouring states, there was an absence of effective multi-state effort to nab the Don.
While gangster Vikas Dubey has finally been arrested, questions are being raised as to how did he manage to travel to Faridabad and then to Ujjain without any whiff to the UP police. No action on the letter written by DSP Devendra Mishra alleging links between the wanted history sheeter and the local police station is also appalling. In Kanpur with Shivendra Shivastav and camera person Harish Kanpal, Nilanshu Shukla for India Today.
Well, soon after Vikas Dubey's arrest, a political war erupted. The Congress claimed the Don's arrest was stage-managed, especially by the Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh. The Samajwadi Party is asking if Dubey surrendered or was he arrested. The big question still remains, who shielded the history sheeter for 2 decades? Six days on the run after staging the most audacious ambush, killing 8 cops. Challenging the competence of the UP police with all the plots, twists and turns of a crime thriller. History sheeter, gangster with over 60 criminal cases to his name, Vikas Dubey was nabbed in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Making sure those around him heard who he was. Petrified of being killed in an encounter by UP cops, tamely seemed to have been arrested by the Madhya Pradesh police, with a camera recording proceedings of the arrest. But was it an arrest or a staged surrender? The heat is now on BJP-led Yogi government. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav said the government should clarify whether Dubey had surrendered or was arrested. Congress alleges this was sponsored surrender, managed by a Khadi-Khaki gangster nexus. Priyanka Gandhi tweeted asking for a CBI probe. Digvijay Singh hinted at a deal being struck with BJP leader and MP Home Minister Narottam Mishra of Madhya Pradesh, who was once BJP Kanpur in charge.
इसके किस राजनीतिक नेताओं से संबंध रहे हैं या हैं, किस पुलिस कर्मियों से, इसके अधिकारियों से इसके संपर्क हैं, इसकी पूरी जांच होना चाहिए, क्योंकि पूरा अमला इसको बचाने में लगा हुआ था। इतना बड़ा घोर, जिसके 60 मुकदमे हो, कई मर्डर इसने किए हुए, उसकी जमानत कैसे हो जाती है? उस पर केस कमजोर क्यों बनता है?
While the Madhya Pradesh government and its home minister lauded its cops, despite the fact Vikas Dubey slipped through Madhya Pradesh borders into Ujjain with ease.
मध्य प्रदेश की हमारी जाबाज पुलिस है, ये इतनी नृशंस हत्या और की घटना जो हुई थाने वाली, उसके बाद से ही हमने पूरी मध्य प्रदेश को, पुलिस को अलर्ट किया हुआ था। अलर्ट मोड पर मध्य प्रदेश था। जैसे ही संदेह हुआ तो उज्जैन में महाकाल मंदिर से हमने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है उसको।
The Uttar Pradesh police caught clueless when it was focusing on massive checks in Noida Film City based only on rumors of Vikas Dubey surrendering at a TV station. It allowed him to make his way to Ujjain. The Uttar Pradesh government, in the face of intense embarrassment, is brazening it through.
यह उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस का डर है कि उसको कभी हरियाणा भाग करके जा रहा है तो कभी मध्य प्रदेश भाग करके जा रहा है, और उसे उत्तर प्रदेश से बाहर जा करके समर्पण करने जैसी स्थिति का सामना उसने किया है। कठोर से कठोर दंड दिलाने की जो एक कानून सम्मत व्यवस्था है वो की जाएगी।
While politics is rife, history stands testimony that the rise of Vikas Dubey was cultivated, nurtured over years by all political parties in power in Uttar Pradesh.
क्योंकि बसपा मेरा अपना घर था जिसमें 12 साल से मैं रह रहा हूं, और वहां के एक्स चीफ, जो पहले चीफ मिनिस्टर, एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, जो हमारी बसपा सुप्रीमो है बहन जी, बाय नेम बाय फेस जानती हैं हमको। 100 आदमी बुलाती हैं कि भाई विकास तेरे साथ बड़ा अन्याय हो रहा है, गलत हो रहा है, तो मैं उस घर को कर कैसे छोड़ दूं बताओ।
अपने लोकल लीडर्स और उनसे है, जो अपने हमारे यहाँ के प्रबुद्ध लोग हैं उनसे किया था मैंने।
कौन कौन है?
हमारे लोकल विधायक हैं, भगवती प्रसाद सागर जी हैं, और अभिजीत शांगा जी हैं एमएलए, और हमारे ब्लॉक प्रमुख हैं राजेश कमल जी, और जिला पंचायत अध्यक्ष हैं गुड्डन कटियार जी, और प्रधान लोग भी हैं 2, 3, 4, 5 लोग।
It was this deep-rooted police political nexus cross party lines that fueled the arrogance to stage a stunning attack, killing 8 cops. Ultimately, it remains to be seen what comes of the arrest of Vikas Dubey. Will it be a fair probe? Bureau Report, India Today. Soon after Vikas Dubey's sensational arrest, a political war erupted. The Congress claims the Don's arrest was stage-managed by the State Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh. The Samajwadi Party is asking if Dubey surrendered or was he arrested. But the big question remains, who shielded him for 3 decades?
The dramatic arrest of Vikas Dubey has opened a political can of worms. While the BJP is hailing it as a success,
तो अलर्ट मोड पर मध्य प्रदेश था। जैसे ही संदेह हुआ तो उज्जैन में महाकाल मंदिर से हमने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है उसको।
the Congress is alleging collusion between the BJP and Dubey. Digvijay Singh in a tweet attacked Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra, who was also the Kanpur BJP in charge during the 2017 assembly polls, hinting a link between the two.
Madhya Pradesh police cannot take credit for this gangster's arrest because he was not arrested by the MP police. He was arrested or taken custody by an employee of the SIS Security Private Agency, which is run by a BJP member of parliament.
Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has sought a CBI probe alleging the role of an insider. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav said that the government should clarify whether Dubey had surrendered or was arrested. While political parties distancing themselves from Dubey, the gangster has had close ties to all political parties in Uttar Pradesh. Quite evident from the fact he survived many governments in Uttar Pradesh over the last 2 decades despite having 60 cases against him. The most infamous of them, the killing of a BJP minister Santosh Shukla inside a police station. Dubey, who was arrested, was later acquitted for want of evidence. All witnesses had turned hostile in 2006 when Mulayam Singh Yadav was the CM. Acquitted of murder charges, he had then bragged about his proximity to Mayawati, ruling out any truck with the SP.
जिस घर में मैं मास्टर हूँ वहाँ पर मैं स्टूडेंट दूसरी जगह जाऊँगा तो मैं स्टूडेंट बनूंगा, पहले कनेक्ट सीखूंगा वहाँ की, तो यहाँ तो मैं सीधे सीधे शिक्षक की स्थिति में हूँ। तो देश स्तर के सारे लोग मेरे मित्र हैं, सारे मेरे फ्रेंडों को टिकट दे रखी है बहन जी ने।
Dubey later jumped ship to the Samajwadi Party. His wife contested panchayat elections with Samajwadi Party's support. Just 2 years ago, the gangster had claimed the support of BJP leaders.
अपने लोकल लीडर्स और उनसे है जो अपने हमारे यहाँ के प्रबुद्ध लोग हैं उनसे किया था मैंने।
कौन कौन है?
हमारे लोकल विधायक हैं, भगवती प्रसाद सागर जी हैं और अभिजीत शांगा जी हैं एमएलए। इन लोगों को समझाया था कि देखो अगर ये नहीं है और ये फर्जी हैं तो इनकी मदद करो।
Political parties are disowning Vikas Dubey today, but there is no denying a gangster could not have prospered without the active support and patronage of politicians and police. The gangster Neta Cop nexus is an open secret of Uttar Pradesh. Bureau Report, India Today.
Shifting focus now to Kanpur's Don's life before arrest. His criminal record dates back to early 90s and he's been active for almost 3 long decades. For more on, let's take a look at this report.
UP's most wanted criminal, accused in 60 cases, is now behind bars. The man you see on your screens shouting his identity is the mastermind behind the murder of 8 policemen. The story of this wanted criminal started around 3 decades back, with caste politics and murder of 2 Dalits in the early 90s. In the year 2000, he allegedly murdered principal and assistant manager of Tarachand Inter College, Siddheshwar Pandey. In the same year, he was accused of conspiring in the murder of Ram Babu Yadav in Kanpur, while lodged in jail. Dubey came into limelight after being identified as the main accused in the murder case of BJP leader and then MOS Santosh Shukla. The attack inside Shivli police station left 2 policemen dead. This marked the rise of his stature in the world of crime. Followed by a series of cold-blooded murders, Dubey allegedly grabbed huge tracts of land through illegal occupation. By the early years of 2000s, Dubey dominated Kanpur city along with Bilhor, Shivrajpur, Rinyan and Chaubepur areas. In the year 2004, Shivli's Don, Dubey, was also named in cable businessman Dinesh Dubey murder case. And years later, in 2018, he ordered a deadly attack on his own cousin Anurag. He allegedly hatched the conspiracy from inside the jail. The free run came to an end with a 6-day-long chase by police that spanned 4 states. Bureau Report, India Today.
With that, it's a quick wrap on this edition of news. Do stay tuned. Updates continue on the other side.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.